Somewhere lost in nature, I find myself complete. I find the lost parts filled in. I find the space. I find the ones that I love. And I see strangers along the way. And I see things I cannot touch. All of these things, they are a part of me, and I believe they were not, and that's the whole point of the illusion, is it not? We don't know that we are not the tree leaves. We don't know we are not the tree. In essence, we don't know. It's there somewhere, a light in the darkness. And we have to find it. We have to see it. We just have to look out of our windows